Today we're going to show you how to move players with tabs over to a tab, and then to players that don't have tabs and move them to tabs as well. If you look on table 2, we have two players. Their total thus far is $50.52. We're going to take these two players that both have tabs and move them to not be playing pool, but to have this pool time tokenized and put onto their tabs. Now if you look in the lower left hand corner, there's a legend that says process payments for green, leave on table for black, move player to tab in red. That refers to the box that's just to the left of the teal box that says tab T06P7 and tab T06P9. I'm going to click that teal tab and change both of these to red. And if you notice on the left hand or the right hand side, pay cash amount is now 0 as well as the card. We're basically moving these two players to be just tabs. And if you notice, they're no longer on table 2, but they are over on the tab review side. So if we were to look at these tabs, you'll see that they actually have pull time associated with their tabs, and that's been kind of set in stone. We can return by hitting the return button, and we can also move these players to either a rental or a non-rental facility by clicking the lavender box in each of the tabs and then hitting the move icon and selecting move tabs from the options. I'm going to move them to D1, and you'll see that both tabs are there. So now they have basically stopped playing pool, but they're going to continue to eat and drink while sitting at a dining table. And we're going to do that the same with these two people on table 6. They don't have tabs, but we're going to move them directly to D2. And you'll see that both have time already moved to their tab by that move. We can add items to these tabs by clicking on them and starting them out. If we want to check these two tabs out, we can either select one or just check them out the same way, and instead of clicking the teal bar and making them red or black, we're just going to process the payment for both and hit collect, and we can do the same here. And if you see, they're no longer on the tab display.